Shenzhen Youlumi Company Limited was founded in 2014 and is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 2,000 square meters. Our company has rich experience in the LED lighting industry. Our main products include dock light, corn light, solar street light, LED working light, and so on. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got ETL, ERP, FCC, CE, and other certificates. Our products sell well all over the country and exported to the United States, Canada, Germany, France, Italy, and other countries and regions, and won wide acclaim at home and abroad. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
Welcome to Youlumi. We put our customer in the first place all the time, and we will bring more value added to you with our best product and service. Trust us, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Welcome to Youlumi.